shortly. Shane, once you've stowed your PGT, we'll have you start by connecting the NZGLs on the inboard side of IROSA, J1 through J4.
Copy, Jimmy.
With all 8 bolts securing the IROSA to the mounting bracket, the astronauts are now doing some cleanup steps using some of the adjustable tethers that were used to help with the alignment of the IROSA to the mounting bracket. They'll clean up some of those. There are a few cables that they're able to connect ahead of the eclipse or the orbital nighttime, so they'll get into those tasks, get a jump start, and then once the station goes into an orbital nighttime and the solar arrays, the legacy solar arrays are no longer drawing power. They'll be able to make some of the electrical connections that are necessary during the eclipse. It has to happen during an orbital nighttime. Everything on track so far to meet that deadline. Will they be able to make the necessary electrical connections?